Let's take a look at how to knit this lovely check stitch pattern. This is the front of the work and this is the back. It's reversible, they're both exactly the same. Hello knitting friends, and welcome back to Knit the Stitch. Today I'm knitting this beautiful 4-stitch check design. It's completely reversible, it lays flat, and look, the edges don't curl up, so perfect for your projects where both sides of the garment are going to be seen, like baby blankets, scarves, shawls, and I think it would also be useful as a sweater stitch pattern too. It's knit using just your basic knits and purl stitches, so no fancy new stitches to learn. And it's worked over an 8-row repeat, so that's 4, 4, 4, 4 all the way along. And it alternates the knits and purl stitches every 4 stitches going across the line. 4, 4, 4, 4. Very easy to keep track of. Okay, so if you're ready, grab your needles and some yarn and let's get on and knit this simple checked pattern. The check is knit on multiples of 8 stitches, and that's for both knitting this flat or if you're working it in the round. And for this tutorial I've cast on 3 times 8, giving me a total of 24 stitches here. And I've worked a couple of pattern repeats, 16 rows in total, so it's starting to look like checks forming in the design. Rows 1 through to 4 are all the same, and then rows 5 to 8 are the same as each other too, so it's easily memorisable. So rows 1 to 4, and they are knit 4, purl 4. That's 1, 2, 3 and 4, and purl 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. I post a new stitch pattern video at least once a week, so be sure you've subscribed so you don't miss out on any. Oh, and tell me in the comments below what you're working on and how and whether you have any favourite designs or stitch patterns. That was row 1. Turning the work, row 2 is exactly the same as row 1. And if you're following along and you're knitting with me, remember that you can pause me whenever you need to catch up. But then if you are a bit faster, you may want to skip forwards a little and join me further on, and that's great too. These next 3 rows are all the same as the one I've just knit, so I'll continue to knit 2, 3 and 4, and I'll meet you ready for row 5. Turning the work to start row 5. I've done knit, purl all the way along rows 1, 2, 3 and 4, and now I'm swapping that around for 5, 6, 7 and 8. So it's purl 4, knit 4. Purlwise, 1, 2, 3, 4 and knit 4. 1, 2, 3 and 4, and I'll just continue with purl 4, knit 4, purl 4, knit 4 all the way along the line and the next 3 rows. And there you have it, this versatile 4-stitch check design. I hope you found this tutorial useful. Thank you for watching, and most of all, enjoy knitting all your stitches.